Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching that earwax removal video today. One patient in this video, so you can see we've got some very dry wax buildup in here. I'm going to go in with the microsuction tube first of all, and we're just trying to lift, see if we can get this out in one big chunk if possible. Now, as this starts to move from the canal wall, you can see that we've actually got two pieces of wax here. One at the bottom, which is curling around to the left canal wall, and one stuck to the top canal wall, sitting just in front of it. So we're going to use the crocodile forceps now just to go in and grab this section. See if we can lift it up from the canal wall here. Sometimes we're able to slide the bottom jaw of the forceps underneath, and it gives us a good grip on there. But as you can see here, we're struggling to get underneath it and detach it safely away. So we're going to use the Jobson horn instead. Now I'm aiming for that little gap between these two pieces of wax, but you can see it actually curls up behind that front section there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Jobson horn to push down the side of the wax to detach it from the canal wall first. And you can see it kind of puckering and folding up as we're going underneath it. So if we can get rid of this top section, then we can probably then get a good sight on the top of the rear section and create a little gap there. So you can see it's coming away really nicely. There we go. I'm just going to fold that section out there, just so you can get a good grip on this. Couldn't get the Jobson horn into it, so we're going to lift it up with the suction so you can get a good look. There we are. You can see it's very dry and crumbly, this type of wax. So we've got that little gap there now. It means we can go over. Now, I know a few people are going to be saying, why don't you use the St. Bart's hook at this point? Because I can't see behind, it's only a very small gap. I prefer to use the Jobson horn because you can just go over the top of the wax and the lip there and bring it forwards. So I always prefer to use the Jobson horn rather than the St. Bart's hook. I find it a bit safer. Okay, one confession to make. I really misjudged the timings for all my videos. I thought episode 300 was coming out today, but obviously this is episode 299. But we've obviously told everyone we're doing episode 300 plus 1 day tomorrow. So, as a treat for you guys, I'm going to release 300 early. You're going to get it after this video. So, this video comes out at 9 PM. So, we're going to put it out about 10 past, quarter past 9. So, stay tuned for that when 300 still comes on. We are still planning on doing 300 plus 1 day tomorrow. So, that's something a little bit different, which I will explain in the episode 300 video we are about to watch after this one. So I hope you enjoy all those videos. 300 is definitely worth the wait. I've been editing that. I'm most of the way through it. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 patients in that video so far. So we're probably going to have a few more by the time the video goes live. So just so you know, that's coming after this one. So stay tuned for that one. You can see that we have this large piece of wax has come away now. It's really dry, really kind of balled up in there as well. A bit of dry skin around the outside edge. We've got a few little tiny flaky bit back there, so we'll just grab a couple of the top and bottom flaky bits. There we go, it's a bit of tidying up in there. And then if we take a look at the eardrum looks quite healthy there. Light reflex a little bit diffused, but on the whole good. The ruler has returned. So you can see we've got just over 1.5 centimeters. I've been told I'm allowed to do rough judgments on inches. I'm going to go just over 1/2 inch. If I squitch that bit together, it's just over 1/2 inch, just make it easy on myself. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.